Right, y'all, what's going on? This is Axel Campbell's out here representing. I'm gonna show you where the map sensor is located on a 2012 Audi A4 B8. It's a TFSI engine. You can get a quick glance of the engine just so you compare it to yours. You got the map sensor over here. The map sensor is going to be located on this side. The reason why I was changing this out, it was because I was getting a 2-link on bank 1, which just has to do with the fuel and air mixture. Give me a second. All right, so it's located right here. As you can tell, I already unplugged it. Where's the plug at? Dang, where's the damn plug? It's right here. So that one just goes right there. I already installed the new one. I got Bosch from ECS Tuning. It runs about 30 bucks. So that's the third sensor I'm gonna switch out to see if this check engine line goes away. So the first thing I did was the map sensor. Then I did the two O2 sensors. Next thing I'm gonna do the map sensor, see if that fixes. If that doesn't fix it, then I'm gonna switch over to the more difficult repairs. But I didn't seem to find any videos on the map sensor location and where was it at or how difficult it was to get off. On the B8, on the 2012 Audi B8 and B8.5. So this is pretty much the first video. There's some forums you can find on them. It'll tell you in there, but it doesn't really show you. You know, the best thing to do is look at a video. It just makes it way easier for me, and I'm pretty sure for like half of you guys out there. So yeah, it's intake hose, right at the intake hose. It's right there. You better have patience with these two bolts, especially this one on this side right here, because you have this this hose right here in the way, and you have this panel, which is you can push it in. As you can tell, is you can maneuver yourself in there. And I usually just use this. It's a T20. It's actually very important. It's a T20 torque. Let me see if I can get the. Let me just. It's a T20 right there, as you can tell. So yeah, just use this. You don't attach it to the ratchet just yet, because it's kind of difficult to push that back to get these to tighten these. So you just do it with your hand, get it all the way in as much as you can with your hand, and then you use the ratchet to tighten it the last few turns. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope that helps.